Hello students, good morning everyone. This is the second video for your chapter The Untrained Mathematician. In the first video we have completed page number 42 and 43 in the first and second video. Now here you can see that in the video there was a conversation started between the great mathematician Srinivasan Ramanujan and G.H. Hardy from India to Cambridge University, London, and finally it was the great moment for Srinivasan that when you will start the next page, this was a nice time, great news for him that G.H. Hardy was ready to support him. You see here, you have to start the line from here. The enclosed 9 pages had theorems beginning from number theory to definite integrals. Ramanujan had enclosed 9 pages in his letter in that particular envelope, and in that envelope these pages had theorems. The theorems that started from number theory to definite integrals. Integrals means जिसको ब्रेक न किया जाए, भाज्य न जो हो पाए, अविभाज्य जिसको बोलते हैं, अविभाज्य इंटीग्रल. Ramanujan had written legibly and neatly to give himself a fair chance at being understood. In the letter, the great mathematician Ramanujan had explained everything very clearly. Legibly means clearly, very clearly, and neatly. Neatly means clean, to give himself a very fair chance that he could understand him easily. So he had explained everything very clearly and neatly there. In Cambridge, Godfrey Harold Hardy read the letter and took a casual look at the pages and initially dismissed the Indian as another crank. Crank means होता है someone with strange ideas. So when the letter reached at Cambridge University, G.H. Hardy at first read the letter, but he took a very casual look at the pages, and initially means in the starting he dismissed. उन्होंने उसे dismissed कर दिया. He didn't care. He didn't take it heartily. Understand that it has strange ideas. He then went about his day as usual, but something about the formulas intrigued him. And when he completed his day as usual, after some time, the formulas that was enclosed in the letter of Ramanujan, those formulas looked something intrigued him. Intrigued means interested him. He decided to consult his fellow mathematician John Adenshaw Littlewood. Then, to clear the concept of Ramanujan's theory, he decided to consult with his fellow mathematician John Adenshaw Littlewood. As they pored over the papers together, pored over means read very carefully. They realized that They were looking at the working of a brilliant mind. At that time, they found that this is not ordinary things. This is not ordinary thing. They are looking at a working of a very brilliant mind. Definitely, this man has used his brilliant mind to expose these things. Hardly would remark later. Some of the formula defeated me completely. And then the great mathematician Hardy remarked that now I am also looking defeated with the formula by this brilliant mind, by this brilliant man. I had never seen anything in the list like them before, And he said that I had never experienced such type of formula before this. A single look at them is enough to show that they could only be written by a mathematician of the highest class. And then finally, he found that this is not an ordinary man. When we go through, we found that it could be only written by a great mathematician of the highest class. It is not ordinary things. And he finally understood that this man is definitely a great man, with a brilliant mind. They must be true, because if they were not true, no one would have the imagination to invent them. They must be true, because if they were not true, no one would have the imagination to invent them. And after that, the great mathematician thought that they must be true, and if they were not true, अगर वे ट्रू नहीं होते हैं, अगर उनको इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली देयर वुड बी only an imagination to invent something like this brilliant mind. मीन्स अगर हम लोग इस पर विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग इस पर फोकस नहीं करेंगे, तो इस तरह से तो लोगों को विश्वास टूट जाएगा, लोग फोकस नहीं कर पाएंगे, लोग इन्वेंशन करने से डरेंगे. The buzz created by the papers kept Cambridge mathematical circles excited. Hardy then wrote to Ramanujan. The buzz created by the papers kept. Then the sound appeared there, and it was created by some ideas, and the papers was now kept in Cambridge mathematics circle. Everyone was excited, and the great mathematician Hardy decided to write Ramanujan, and he wrote him. Hardy in the meanwhile had set the wheels in motion. In motion, Hardy set himself, and he wrote a letter to him. Gilbert Walker, a former lecturer of mathematics at Trinity, was the head of the Indian Meteorological Institute in Simla. And in Simla, there was a former lecturer of mathematics at Trinity, and his name was Gilbert Walker. He was the head of Indian मेट्रोलॉजिकल इंस्टीट्यूट वेदर इंस्टीट्यूट, जहाँ मौसम विभाग जो है वहाँ पे जो मौसम संस्थान है वहाँ पे की जो हेड थे गिलबर्ट वाकर. ही रोट अ लेटर टू हिम. ही वाज पासिंग थ्रू मद्रास on 25th February when Sir Francis Spring, the chief engineer and the chairman of the Madras Port Trust, insisted that he look at Ramanujan's notebook. And then at that time he was passing through Madras on the day of 25th February, and Mr. Sir Francis Spring, who was the chief engineer and also the chairman of the Madras Port Trust, where Ramanujan worked, he also insisted that he will look at the notebook of Ramanujan to find what is true and what is false, what the clarity, what the reality of his notebooks. He will get everything. The next day, Walker wrote to Madras University, and then Gilbert Walker wrote to Madras University asking that Ramanujan be supported as a research student. And this was a great opportunity for the man Ramanujan. This was a letter by Walker to Madras University that Ramanujan be supported as a research student. Hard his interest had convinced means assured, आश्वस्त होना everyone about Ramanujan's extraordinary merit. और हार्डी जो ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन थे, उनके इस तरह के इंटरेस्ट को देखकर सारे लोग अब जो इंडिया में उनके लेक्चरर थे और भी जो इंजीनियर थे, वो सब लोग एश्योर हो गए कि रामानुजन एक एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी मेरिट रखता है, इसलिए इसे रिसर्च में हमें डेफिनेटली शामिल करना चाहिए. ओके, सो नाउ एवरीवन वाज एश्योर्ड, everyone had a great belief about the extraordinary merit of Ramanujan, and now Ramanujan's time also will be changed because he was going to get his valuable place for that he deserved. Okay, that's okay. In this video we stop it at this point, and now wait for the next video.